party with us. So we are celebrating our first anniversary of Budget Car Premium, and thank you for joining us to this party, and I hope everybody would enjoy the party.
Everybody, we welcome one and all here, especially our dealers, our guests, our well-wishers, the media persons, and all other friends. Let us tell you something about budget car. You know, budget car in the small segment is number one, and also it's growing in the premium segment. So budget car premium, this is the first anniversary. So we thank one and all for coming here and giving our wishes to us and the blessings. So in future, we'll open more and more showrooms. So thank one and all once again.
Everybody, thanks for coming here and event party. Budget car, as Mr. Frank has already informed you, you know the budget car was started with Rehan Saab in 2016, and he's the main engine. You know, he's taking total, moving up towards the super premium as well as premium, and Alhamdulillah, by grace of God, we have done wonderful this month. Inshallah, all with the grace of God and support with all the dealers, we'll achieve, and will be, inshallah, next second anniversary, we'll be the number one, inshallah, in Hyderabad. By all blessings by all, you know, well-wishers as well as our team and our customers and our dealers, inshallah.
First of all, I would like to thank all of you for coming here and making this function successful. A special thanks to Mohni Saab, Asra Ma'am, Akbar Saab, Jabbar Saab, and many more. This is all because of हमेशा जैसा मैं कहते आया हूँ in my all interviews, ये जो सक्सेस है, ये सक्सेस मेरी नहीं है, ये हम सब की सक्सेस है, ये सारी बजटकार टीम की सक्सेस है, और ये सब अल्लाह का करम है और मेरी माँ की दुआ है, बड़ों की दुआ है, जिसकी वजह से every project is becoming successful. कभी कभी हार्ड टाइम्स भी आ रहा है, बट बड़ी ही डेयरिंग से, बड़ी ही मेहनत से, बड़ी ही कोशिशात से हम उसको कंप्लीट करते आ रहे हैं, और इंशाअल्लाह दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज एन एक्सक्लूसिव प्रीमियम and super premium cars showroom. We do have a capacity of 45 to 50 cars, ground floor and basement too. We have 2 floor showrooms. So inshallah, with maintaining 45 to 50 cars, will be doing good sales, and ऐसे ही हम हमारे टारगेट रीच करेंगे. दिस शोरूम इज ऑल अबाउट प्रीमियम एंड सुपर प्रीमियम कार्स. दिस इज you can say we just want to serve people with multiple brands. Budget Car is a company where people can buy and sell any segment car. We have 2 showrooms. One is located at 100 feet road. वहाँ पे हमारे पास 220 to 300 cars का स्टॉक रहता है, और second showroom which is located at Jubilee Hills 36, which is a premium and super premium car showroom, an exclusive premium and super premium car showroom. ऐसी ही third company है named as BechoCars.com, which is a similar module business of cars like Cars 24. Inshallah, आज फर्स्ट ईयर एनिवर्सरी फंक्शन है बजट कार प्रीमियम का. 1 साल कंप्लीट हुआ है ये शोरूम को स्टार्ट करके स्टार्टिंग में काफ़ी दिक्कतें भी आई, काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम्स भी आई, बट वो सारी चीज़ों को फेस करते हुए हम सक्सेस की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं और इंशाल्लाह ताला will be doing very good number of sales procurement through बजट कार प्रीमियम। जैसे बजट कार में करते आए हैं वैसे ही बजट कार प्रीमियम भी सक्सेसफुल रहेगा। Not only this showroom, but my mission and motto is to open multiple showrooms across the city, not even in the city, but across the nation and inshallah ta'ala across the world। जहां पे सोच अच्छी हो, नीयत अच्छी हो और इरादे बुलंद हो, वहां पर नाकामयाबी, बहुत ही मायूसी, ये सारी चीजें बहुत छोटी पड़ती है। और इंशाल्लाह मैं नहीं, ये सारी टीम एफर्ट है, ये सारे लोग का एफर्ट है बजट कार की, एंड इंशाल्लाह विल बी रीचिंग टू द heights of success। So I would like to thank all my customers, all my team and all my guests, dealers। With your support, inshallah, will be achieving our height of success। So thank you once again। I would like to thank all my customers, all my dealers, all my like media people, everyone who are supporting us continuously, और हम ऐसे ही सक्सेस की ओर बढ़ते जा रहे हैं।